Hello children, today we are going to understand the topic active and passive voice. Voice is of two types, active and passive. In active voice, we consider what subject does. In passive voice, we put the focus is on the action. Like Ram killed Ravan. So here the focus is on the subject. In passive voice, Ravan was killed by Ram. So here the focus is on the action. The common rule for active and passive voice is when we are changing into passive voice, bring the object first, choose correct be verb, like we have to choose the correct auxiliary verb. If the subject is singular, we have to use singular verb. If the subject is plural, then we have to use plural verb. Change verb into participle, whether it is present tense or past tense or future tense, any of the form, the verb will change into participle, that is third form of the verb will come. Add by plus subject. Example, she helps him. Object becomes subject, he, then he is singular, is will come, then verb third form, helped by her. So you can see here it is having the formula like object is becoming subject, then we are using auxiliary verb, plus the verb is changing into participle form, third form, then we are using before subject by, and she becomes her. Now look at how subject and object changes in passive voice. I becomes me, we become us, you become you, they become them, he becomes him, she becomes her, Ram will remain Ram, book will remain book. Now we will study how we will change according to the tenses. First of all, we will learn in simple present tense how the changes occur. In simple present tense, we are having subject plus verb first form plus SES plus object depending upon the subject. If the subject is singular, we are putting SES with the verb. If the subject is plural, we are not putting SES with the verb. So it will change into subject, which will object will become subject, then auxiliary verb is MR plus verb third form plus object. In present continuous tense, is MR verb first form plus ing, and in passive voice, object is MR plus ing will become being plus verb third form. Then in present perfect, has have plus verb third form, and in passive voice, object which will become subject plus has have plus been plus verb third form. Present perfect, has have plus been plus verb first form plus ing, not used commonly. It is not used commonly in passive voice. Like example, she is cooking rice. Rice is being cooked by her. He has done homework. Homework has been done by him. Now rules for simple past tense. In simple past, we are having verb second form, and in passive voice, object which will become subject plus was were according to the subject. If the subject is singular, we will use was. If the subject is plural, we will use were plus verb third form plus subject which will become object. In past continuous, was were plus verb first form plus ing. In the same way, it will become was were plus being. Only the changes of was were plus verb third form. Then in past perfect, had plus verb third form, and in passive voice, object becomes subject plus had been plus verb third form. Past perfect, had been plus verb first form plus ing, not commonly used. She was cooking rice. Rice was being cooked by her. He had done homework. Homework had been done by him. Now simple future, will plus shall plus verb first form, and in passive voice, object plus will shall be plus verb third form. Future continuous, will shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing, and it will change into not common in passive voice. Future perfect, will shall plus have plus verb third form. It will change into object plus object becomes subject. Will shall have been plus verb third form. Again, future perfect is not commonly used in passive voice. She will write beautiful poems. Beautiful poems will be written by her. He will have done homework. Homework will have been done by him. Now passive of yes or no question. Can you speak English? Can English be spoken by you? Has he helped them? Have they been helped by him? Did you help him? Was he helped by you? Do or does plus subject plus verb first form plus object is MR object plus verb third form. And with did plus subject plus verb first form plus object, it will become was were plus object plus verb third form. Some more examples. Are they planting trees? Are trees being planted by them? Also, you can write, or this is also right. Are trees being planted? Did they tell anything? Was anything told by them, or was anything told? Didn't he buy anything? Wasn't anything bought by him? Will he bring the book? Will the book be brought by him?